Welcome to HN Auto, where we bring you the most exciting updates from the world of automobile. Welcome to HN Auto, where luxury, performance, and innovation meet. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most refined and versatile premium compact SUVs in the market, the all-new 2026 Lexus NX. Now in its latest form, the Lexus NX lineup has evolved into a true embodiment of Lexus's finesse design language. With bold styling, enhanced powertrains, and a tech-loaded cabin, the NX continues to prove why it's a go-to choice for drivers seeking comfort, class, and performance in one elegant package. The 2026 Lexus NX brings several enhancements that polish its premium credentials. It's available in multiple variants including the NX 250, NX 350, NX 350h Hybrid, and the NX 450h Plus plug-in hybrid, giving customers a wide range of choices depending on their driving style and fuel preference. Let's start with what grabs your attention first, the exterior. The 2026 Lexus NX has a confident and elegant stance, defined by sharp lines, muscular wheel arches, and the iconic Lexus spindle grille. For 2026, the grille design is further refined, flanked by slimmer triple-beam LED headlamps that now feature adaptive cornering lighting. The daytime running lights have been sharpened for a more aggressive and high-tech appeal. From the side, the NX looks balanced and athletic. Chrome accents around the windows, stylish alloy wheels ranging from 18 to 20 inches, and flush door handles give the SUV a modern, premium aesthetic. At the rear, Lexus has embraced a full-width LED light bar that spans across the tailgate, connecting the L-shaped tail lamps. The Lexus lettering replaces the traditional logo badge, reinforcing the brand's upscale ambitions. Whether you choose the more subtle NX 250 or the performance-tuned F-Sport version of the NX 350, the 2026 NX is designed to turn heads wherever it goes. Inside, the 2026 Lexus NX offers a cabin that strikes a beautiful balance between luxury, craftsmanship, and modern technology. Lexus calls this cockpit experience the Tizuna concept, inspired by the reins of a horse, aiming to give the driver intuitive control with minimal distraction. Right in front of the driver is a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster that changes based on drive modes, offering a customizable, high-definition interface. The center console is dominated by an optional 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Lexus interface software, now even faster and more responsive. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and cloud-based navigation ensures real-time updates. The materials throughout the cabin reflect Lexus's attention to detail: soft touch leather, real aluminum accents, ambient lighting with 64 color options, and contrast stitching that feels both sporty and luxurious. Heated and ventilated front seats, a panoramic glass roof, and a 17-speaker Mark Levinson premium audio system make the NX cabin feel like a 5-star lounge on wheels. Rear seat passengers benefit from generous legroom, improved headroom, and power-folding rear seats for added convenience. Lexus has also upgraded sound insulation in the 2026 model, using thicker glass and additional acoustic materials for a whisper-quiet ride. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Lexus NX offers something for everyone. Let's break down the powertrain options. The NX 250 comes with a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine that produces 203 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. It's mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission and available in both front-wheel and all-wheel drive formats. This setup is perfect for drivers who prioritize reliability and fuel efficiency. Next up, the NX 350 steps things up with a turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine generating 275 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. This variant delivers confident acceleration, refined cruising, and is available with Lexus's dynamic torque control all-wheel drive system. It's a solid choice for drivers looking for a spirited daily commuter. Then comes the NX 350h, the hybrid variant. It combines the 2.5-liter gasoline engine with 2 electric motors for a total output of 240 horsepower. This setup delivers fantastic fuel economy, estimated at around 39 mpg combined, making it a smart pick for eco-conscious drivers who don't want to sacrifice performance. And finally, the flagship of the lineup, the NX 450h Plus plug-in hybrid. This model is powered by the same hybrid system as the 350h but paired with a larger battery and plug-in capability. It offers 302 total system horsepower and up to 37 miles of pure electric driving range. It's quick, efficient, and eligible for EV incentives in many countries. Whether you're choosing based on performance, sustainability, or economy, the 2026 Lexus NX gives you real flexibility. But the NX isn't just about power, it's also about control. The suspension has been retuned for better ride comfort and cornering stability. F-Sport trims come with adaptive variable suspension for sharper handling. The steering feels precise, with feedback that inspires confidence whether you're navigating tight city streets or sweeping highway curves. One of the NX's most praised features is its Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 suite. Standard across all trims, it now includes enhanced functionality like pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, and dynamic radar cruise control. For 2026, Lexus adds a few notable safety upgrades. The Proactive Drive Assist feature uses sensors and mapping to help with braking and steering in curves. A new Traffic Jam Assist system provides semi-autonomous driving capability in low-speed conditions. There's also Safe Exit Assist that warns passengers of oncoming traffic before they open a door. An available digital rearview mirror, 360-degree camera, and parking assist with auto brake provide extra peace of mind in tight spots. Lexus also includes their e-latch system, an electronic door latch that works with the safety systems to prevent accidental openings when unsafe. Another high-tech highlight is the Lexus Digital Key, which lets you lock, unlock, and start the NX using your smartphone. You can even share access with family or friends via the Lexus app. Fuel economy varies based on powertrain. The NX 250 and NX 350 return around 28 and 25 mpg combined, respectively. The 350h hybrid delivers approximately 39 mpg, while the NX 450h Plus PHEV achieves over 80 mpg with full battery use. Charging the plug-in hybrid takes about 2.5 hours on a level 2 charger, making it a practical EV for daily commutes with gasoline backup for longer trips. Let's talk trims. The 2026 Lexus NX comes in a wide range of configurations. NX 250, the base model, with a strong list of standard features including LED lights, dual-zone climate control, and Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0. NX 350 adds turbocharged power, upgraded interior materials, and available F-Sport appearance package. NX 350h offers great fuel economy, smooth hybrid driving, and enhanced luxury packages. NX 450h Plus, the range-topping plug-in hybrid with performance and tech upgrades, often equipped with all the top-tier features Lexus offers. And of course, the F-Sport trim, available on NX 350 and NX 450h Plus, brings a sportier edge with unique styling, blacked-out trim, sport seats, paddle shifters, and adaptive suspension. Pricing for the 2026 NX starts around $41,000 for the NX 250 and goes up to nearly $59,000 for a fully loaded NX 450h Plus F-Sport with all options. In international markets such as Pakistan, UAE, or Indonesia, expect the NX to command a premium due to import duties, positioning it firmly in the luxury SUV category alongside the Audi Q5, BMW X3, and Mercedes-Benz GLC. So, what's the verdict on the 2026 Lexus NX? Simply put, it's a masterclass in refinement. Lexus has taken an already successful formula and enhanced every aspect, from design and performance to comfort and technology. Whether you want a fuel-efficient hybrid, a plug-in with electric range, or a turbocharged thrill ride, the NX has an answer. It's more than just a compact luxury SUV, it's a smart lifestyle choice. With its bold design, whisper-quiet cabin, exceptional build quality, and advanced tech, the 2026 Lexus NX stands out in a very crowded segment. It's elegant, powerful, efficient, and most of all, unmistakably Lexus. That wraps up our in-depth review of the 2026 Lexus NX. What do you think? Is the NX the perfect blend of luxury and practicality for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Turn on the bell icon so you never miss an update from HN Auto, your home for the latest car reviews and news from around the world. Thanks for watching, and as always, drive safe, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next one.